Okay, babe, hold on.
These actually, you
Okay.
have to order them online. They're only available in that certain area.
Cat.
Called Macbeth.
Cat.
Yeah. This is created by one of my favorite bands. The lead singer created the show.
Guys.
Just a minute.
Hold on.
It's Nana who's talking.
What happened?
I don't know, I'm just crying.
Oh.
I don't know what this present is, so that's why.
Cute.
Is it?
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna have to figure something out, huh?
Dominic.
Oh.
Okay, so you turn it.
Wow.
Where's?
Where? I've
Is there
never
anything
seen
else in
this.
here?
This is, no, this is it.
Okay.
Okay, open it up.
Okay.
Nice.
Keep looking.
See this?
See that date?
Go to October in the calendar.
I think I already know now.
Go to
Open it up.
I think I already know. I think I already know.
Honey, no, you don't know.
You don't know?
Look. Look.
Yeah, I know.
She recognizes the paper.
No, but you don't know. Look how close we are.
I know. I
Look at
read
this.
the thing.
Look how close we are.
Look up, Lex. Look up, sweetie.
You're crying, so are you not happy?
No, I'm happy.
Okay, good, good.
Third row. Third row, honey.
I think we need to hug Mom and Dad.
Get the parents in there, okay?
She's pinching herself. Sweetie.
All right, get in there, family.
Were you surprised?
Watch out. Watch out.
All right, family. All right. Did they surprise you, Lex?
Do you see what it says? Third row. Woo! Is that going to be crazy?
Are you sure you want to go?
So Kiana got you a new outfit to wear to the concert.
Can you still believe it's real?
I'm shaking.
I know it's real, honey.
It
We're
is
going.
real. Don't worry.
We're going this Wednesday. We're leaving.
All right.
Where's the plane ticket?
She forgot about all
they're
other
at home.
presents.
Where's the plane ticket?
We got all that. We got all that. We got all that.
You knew just from the date?
No, I could tell. I just. I don't know. I was like
card.
You were what, babe?
Well, the card kind of. I don't know. Like it's.
Honey,
You have
do
to
you
write
know?
the card out
I
loud.
did, but I didn't.
Read it
You
out
know-
loud.
But it freaked me
So
out.
that everybody can.
Oh, the card has the
No, but look in
guitar.
the inside.
Oh, how am I playing somebody? Birthday front row or third row, super fan style. Nice.
That's right.
Hope your
Wasn't that the
16 is
perfect
something
card
you'll
for that
never
gift?
Forget. Yeah.
Now you
You're never
understand why
gonna
you had to
forget
open
it.
these in an order.
Okay.
I'm waiting to see.
Oh no, this is maybe you're too close. That's beautiful.
How do I stop it? Dean?
Just hit the red button again.